Welcome back to my channel, you guys. We are using the Huda Beauty palette. It is her newest palette, and I just love this eyeshadow. Look what we did today. Like, look. It is so stinking cute with the little half lash. All right, y'all, let's go ahead and get right into the video so we can show you guys exactly how I did it. Hey friends, it's the weekend and I went shopping for Sephora's VIP Rouge sale, and I picked up this bad boy. You guys already know how much I love Huda Beauty, so I just wanted to show you guys this, and let's do a really bomb eye. A little bit of sound effects. So we are going to create a look today, and we're going to incorporate this color, this shade right here. It is so pretty, and I just cannot wait. Does this have a color name? Yes, Diamond Dew. She is gorgeous, and I'm obsessed. And just so you can see what it looks like, oh my gosh, what, girl, like, get out of here. Okay, let's get right into it. So I don't want this video to be too long, so I've already done my base, and don't worry about the brows because I'm going to be doing a video on how I do my brows in a shorts video. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm going to use First Class, and just going to run that in the crease. And this will be perfect for like a transition shade anyway. So I'm just doing that shade there. You can see how it kind of blends in. All right, now I'm gonna go in with Unapologetic. So starting off with just small amounts at a time. Oh, this is gonna be really pretty. Oh my goodness. You see that? That is so pretty. And this is where I want most of the product, so I'm just placing it here, and then I'm gonna bring it in. Slowly bringing it in. Oh, this blends beautifully. Huda, girl, I love this. Like, I just knew that I immediately wanted to do a look with this because, girl, it's such a pretty eyeshadow palette. Now I'm gonna go in with She's Rich and mix that a little bit with Unapologetic. So I'm gonna keep this right here, right on this outer portion right here. Okay, so this is gonna be a more cool eye, you know? Now I can just see myself doing so many looks with this because we have a white shade in here. Oh my God, it's called Avalanche. That one is good. One Self. Ooh, this is gonna be really, really pretty because I can see me doing such cool tone eyeshadow looks with this. I'm just bringing it, whatever's left, right up in here into this brow. Okay, and then just blending it out. Okay, and then I'm gonna go back in with She's Rich, and then just keep on building very, very lightly. And I'm lightly pulling this out, like just a little bit. Okay, I love this smokiness right up in here. Ooh, I love that deep, like, you know, it just gets deep, and then just, my favorite kind of eyeshadow look to do. Okay, then I'm gonna bring this color down just a little bit, just right in there. I'm still using a nice small brush for this as well. If you're still watching this, go ahead and give me a subscribe. I would love to have you guys join the family, and where we do more looks like this, nails, hair, all the things. Go ahead and subscribe and give me a little pink hearts. in the comment section. Let me know that you're still watching. I'm just gonna use a Target gift card because I really want to sharpen this a lot. So I'm gonna go right under my lash line. So I go right about there. I'm using a brush like this. You see that? All right, so I'm gonna go in with She's Rich, and I'm gonna just bring that right here. Okay. Ooh! Ooh! Love that. I might even go more dramatic. I'll see. But first, let me just bring this in. I'm running it around along my lash line. I'm going back in with Unapologetic, and I'm gonna just run it underneath. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit of faux fur. And I'm just putting it right there. Here we go. I have a different brush, just like a flat shader brush. I'm gonna dip into Diamond Dew. Okay, and we're gonna start off very light. I'm gonna bring this paper tissue right here. Oh, this is so pretty. So I just wanna spray just a little bit of, I'm just gonna use my Morphe mist because it's such a nice fine mist. So I really, really like to use it. I'm gonna dip back in. This might be one of those shades that I have to use my finger with because it's not really, but we're gonna keep on moving. Yeah, I think I need to use my finger, or I'm just gonna keep building this up. Let's see. And I think I really like that. Yeah. All right, so now we're gonna go back in with this brush here, and I'm gonna mix Unapologetic and She's Rich, okay? And this is where I'm gonna start to darken the outer corner up a bit, bringing that in a little bit and tapping over this pretty masterpiece. And I'm gonna just bring this in just a little bit. I'm gonna just lightly blend out the edges. I'm going to tight line. Right down here. Black is just always going to be my favorite. It just makes the eyes just pop. So just add it down here. Whatever's left, I'm just gonna bring it out. So I'm gonna use the Fenty mascara. Now I was debating on if I wanted to do some falsies. And I think I kind of do want to do some falsies. Look at this. This is such a pretty eye. And it's so simple, right? Of course, we already talked about this on my bottom lash line. All right. So I love that. I'm feeling this eye, y'all. So I just added a half lash to the outer portion of my lashes. That way I don't have to put on a full lash, but I love doing this, especially for this style of makeup. It's so much fun and pretty and gives me that wing effect that I love. All right, y'all, this is the finished look. This is with the lips and a little bit of baby lash, the eyeshadow, just the brows, everything. I just love how everything turned out. And this is the Icy Nude palette. If you have not gotten this already and you don't have any other palettes by Huda, try this one out. I think you might really like this. And if you need to pair some warmer tones, pair the warmer tones in with it. But this is such a beautiful palette. I am so like gagged. And I can't wait to do more looks with this palette here. I just, like, look at this. You already know, this is the shade that we use today. And baby, I love this palette. Like, I love, like, look at this shade. Let me know how you guys like this look, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.